After high school, we're all going to go into drastically different directions. Some of us will move to different towns and become doctors. Some of us will, meet different people in the business field. Some of us will go on to fight legal battles. Despite their vast differences,
The medical, business, and legal fields have many similarities in the ways people communicate.
Now, as Nico said, that they have very similarities in the way people communicate. All three fields require strong analytical and problem-solving skills. They also require clear communication in both, and they all rely on teamwork and leadership. They all also have technology and education and responsibility. And how I would use nursing and allied health in my life is helping the people and set a goal to diagnose and treat to prevent illnesses and to improve quality of life. Health and the medical fields require extensive education and clinical training, like medical school, residency, and etc. And now I'm going to pass you on to Nico, who's going to talk about business field.
So, business communication pretty much relates to all fields, both medical and legal. The two main forms of business communication is called internal communication, which is effective communication between workers within an organization. Some of the forms of this is management, team, face-to-face, peer, and resources. And then the other main form is external communication, which is exchanging information between companies and external entities, such as customers, suppliers, investors, etc. Its benefits are it allows you to create relationships with external entities, like I said earlier. It helps build your business communications, all that. And then next, Nathan will be talking about the business in college and law.
so like Nico, I want to go into business. Specifically, I want to go to college for supply chain management. Supply chain management deals with the way people, get the way resources are moved from where they come from, like raw materials, to how they get to customers. A big part of supply chain management, like other business fields, is communicating with others. In this case, it would specifically involve communicating with suppliers. Oftentimes, these suppliers would be from other countries and other cultures. A good way to communicate with them is reports. According to the Pocket Guide to Public Speaking, reports are used to communicate important facts and observations quickly and efficiently. So after college, I want to go to law school. So lawyers communicate constantly. They need to talk to jurors in a case. They need to talk to the judge, of course, other lawyers, and especially their clients. Good communication with their clients is extremely important. The American Bar Association provides some helpful tips for how to do this. The biggest thing they emphasize is simple, clear language, and active listening. So, in conclusion,
like we said before, we're all gonna go our separate ways after high school and study whatever we most desire. And yeah.